What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2024 Cadillac XT4. So taking a look at the XT4 key fob, this button right here that's almost a full circle and says X2 on it, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, we're going to press that button twice quickly. The vehicle will respond by flashing its lights and starting. If we want to cancel the remote start, turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in it, we'll just press that button once again. We'll turn the vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. The XT4 will run for 20 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and start it. In order to drive, what we'll need to do is get in the vehicle. And then once in the vehicle, just as you normally would, press the brake, stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.